Hey, little artists! Welcome back to MR.painter. Today, we're jumping into the world of blocks and adventures. That's right. We're coloring Steve from Minecraft. Grab your colored pencils and let's go. Let's start with Steve's face. We'll use a light skin tone and make sure to keep the blocky shape. Now let's color his square black hair. He already looks like he's ready to mine some diamonds. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. Drawing. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? Let's color his pants with a dark blue or purple. So simple, just like in the game. Don't forget those pixel edges. Do you want to draw? Let me know in the comments. To color his bright blue shirt. In Minecraft, Steve always wears this color. It's his favorite. Let's stay inside the lines and keep it nice and neat. give Steve some dark gray or black shoes. Perfect for walking across mountains and caves. Wow! Look at Steve! He's ready to explore, build, and survive. Great job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more coloring fun with Mr. Painter. Bye-bye!